Hello friends, this is our oldest tree. Used to grow in a drum from laundry container till the drum rusted apart. Then I had to do big root cutting because we were moving and I couldn't. What?
Look, it's a tiny one. Those
Oh, tiny lizard.
There's another bigger one.
Where?
There.
Oh, ran away. Anyway, I just want to say this, that when we moved, I couldn't lift it, so I had to cut the roots. And then later on, I planted beautiful double petal on every branch. Double petal red. It was regular obesum, pink single petal. But now, I have this. Well, anyway, a problem is that the big crack on the bottom, soil falling down out here. You see how it runs down? There is a hole in there falling. So we would have to transplant it, right, Lau?
Yeah.
Also the problem is it's so heavy that I can't turn it, and it's not getting enough of light from the hedge side. So I was thinking of transplanting it into an old wheelbarrow. Let me show you. One of these wheelbarrows, I'm not sure which one. This one already, the wheels are destroyed. This one is already having some drainage hole, but I would have to drill more drainage holes, so blue would look nice with the red flowers. But I guess it depends, the electrical drill, which one would be more willing to make drainage holes. Well,
And it depends how thick it is.
how thick is the plastic?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, we'll see. This one doesn't even hold very well. Here you see it's already getting off.
Yeah. We'll probably use the yellow one.
We'll probably use the yellow one.
Yeah. More broken.
Okay, well, we'll see. I have to test it with the drill. Alright, it worked. I did drill one drainage hole right here. And we need more. More and more and more. And more and more and more. I'm making all the drainage holes on one side because that is the lowest side of the pot. Well, maybe one more and that's it. Maybe that'll be enough.